Hi guys! Okay, so this is my salted caramel recipe. It's super easy and it's a foolproof recipe. I used to struggle a lot doing salted caramel, so hopefully this recipe will help you guys. So let's get started! Okay, so the ingredients you will need is 200 grams of castor sugar, 55 grams of water, 120 grams of salted butter, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 115 grams of heavy whipping cream. Okay, so to start off, you'll just need to boil the sugar and water together in a pot at medium heat. Do not stir at all because the sugar will crystallize, so just let it do its job and let it boil. Okay, so you will need to cook this sugar syrup until it reaches 360 Fahrenheit. So if you have a digital candy thermometer, it will be great. So what you want to achieve is a light brown color. So once it reaches 360 Fahrenheit, remove the pot from the heat and you can add in your butter. It'll be best if your butter is at room temperature, after which you just add in your heavy whipping cream. I forgot to add in my sea salt, so I just add it in, but it'll be best if you add it in with your butter, okay, so that it dissolves easily. So make sure you stir it until combined and you're done. Okay, so do transfer the salted caramel to an airtight container. Let it cool down, and once it cools down, it will thicken up. So not to worry if your salted caramel is still watery, it will thicken up as it cools down. And there you go, your salted caramel is done. Hopefully this recipe works out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and do subscribe to our channel.